Assalamu alaikum students of class 7. Welcome to your lecture of English. This is your teacher Miss Aisha Salim. Students, in the previous lecture we have done the book exercise and meaning in context of unit number 24, catching snakes. So today we are going to do its question answers. There will be 5 questions and you all have to do it on your sheets. And let's start. Okay, so it's your question number 1. Where could the writer find some snakes from? What kind of place that was? Okay students, the question is कि writer को snakes कहाँ से ढूंढने थे और वो जगह किस तरह की थी. So I hope that you must know about the answer. The writer could find the snakes from a banana plantation, and it was a pit and it was very wide and deep. So the clue is here, and I had told you the possible answer, so you all have to write it in your own words. You can take help from the book, but make sure that don't copy from the book. You all have to write it in your own words. Okay, so question number 2. Why were his clothes not suitable for catching the snakes? Yes, read second paragraph, that why were his clothes not suitable for catching the snakes? Yes, what was the reason? Yes, the reason was his clothes and his shoes, because he was wearing thin trousers and that were not suitable for catching the snakes, because a snake can bite easily in those trousers and it will be harmful for the writer. And he was also wearing plimsoll shoes, and plimsoll shoes are also not were also not giving any protection against the fangs of gaboon vipers. So that the answer is his clothes were not suitable for catching the snakes because he was wearing thin trousers and plimsoll shoes that were not giving any protection against the fangs of gaboon vipers. Okay, moving towards forward, question number 3. Why did the writer ask his friends to stop lowering him at a certain point? Yes, at a certain point the writer shouted and asked his friends to stop lowering him. Why did he does this? Yes, any guesses? Yes, he wanted to examine the ground, that if there was any snake, but when the ground was clear, the area being cleared, he shouted his friends to lower him again so he could stand there. Okay, so the answer is the writer asked his friends to stop lowering him at a certain point because he wanted to examine the area he was going to stand. Okay, he wanted to make sure that there will be no snake and area being cleared. Okay, so moving towards forward, question number 4. What happened when he landed in the pit? Yes, any guesses? What happened? याद है आप लोगों को क्या हुआ था जब वो पेट में उतरा था, नीचे खाई में उतरा था, तो उसके साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम, क्या एडवेंचर हो गया था? Yes, the light went out and it was dark and no one had remembered to pump up the light in excitement, so the light went out when he landed in the pit. And one more thing happened, the shoes that he borrowed from his friends came off. Okay, जो अपने उसने दोस्तों से शूज़ बोरो किए थे, उनमें जो कि उसके लिए बहुत लार्ज थे, उनमें से एक जूता उतर गया था. So the answer is yes. What happened when he landed in the pent? When he landed in the pent, 2 things happened. First one is the light went out, and the second one is the shoes that he borrowed from his friend, one of them came off. Okay, because they were too large for him. So question number 5. Why was it so easy for him to catch the snakes bravely? Give reasons. Yes, are there any reasons? Yes, एक तो reasons हम लोगों ने अभी डिसाइड की हैं कि डिस्कस की हैं कि एक तो रीज़न उसके साथ हुई थी कि लाइट चली गई थी, लाइट ख़त्म हो गई थी, सेकेंडली शूज़ उतर गए थे. बट when he asked help from his friends, the light came again. They pumped it and relit the light and lower it again to him, and then he was able to take his shoes, and then he found the shoe, and then he wore both of the shoes. So this was the reason that he was feeling brave, that with the plenty of light and with both shoes on, he was feeling brave. But one more thing happened. He had a forked stick to catch the snakes. With these things, he was feeling too much brave. So you can give reasons in points also, and you can write like this. It was so easy for him to catch snakes bravely because उसके आप आगे आप कॉलन देंगे, ठीक है. कॉलन के बाद आप पॉइंट्स में लिखेंगे. नंबर 1 पॉइंट आप लिखेंगे कि with plenty of light and both shoes on, he felt brave. And नंबर 2 पॉइंट में आप लोग लिखेंगे कि he had a forked stick in his hand, so he was feeling brave, so he could approach every reptile easily. और थर्ड आप ये भी रीज़न लिख सकते हो कि ही वॉज़ वेरी स्किलफुल. इट्स अप टू यू, आपको जो जो रीज़न लगता है उसके ब्रेव होने के लिए वो आप लोग यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस वॉज ऑल. ये आप लोगों के 5 क्वेश्चंस हैं. यू ऑल हैव टू डू इट ऑन लूज शीट्स, एंड हियर इज़ अ डायरी. You have to do this comprehension on sheets. Do the comprehension on sheets. Okay, make sure you all have to do your homework on the sheets, and these are some sentences. You all have to make sentences of these words: excuses, discovered, protection, thick, irritated. Okay, आपको इन सब वर्ड्स के जो हैं सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. सेकेंडली आपको एक कॉम्प्रीहेंशन भी शीट्स पर करनी है, सेंटेंसेस भी शीट्स पर करनी है. एंड द रीज़न टू डू दिस होमवर्क ऑन शीट्स इज़ कि आप लोग जब स्कूल में अपना वर्क सबमिट करा कर जाएंगे, सो कॉपीज़ पर आप लोगों को उसी टाइम रिटर्न करना मुश्किल होगा. नेक्स्ट वीक जब आप आओगे तब आप कॉपीज़ ले सकोगे. सो उस वीक के दौरान उस वीक के ड्यूरेशन में आप अपना होमवर्क नहीं कर सकोगे फिर कॉपी में. सो दैट इज़ वाई लूज शीट्स पे आप अपना होमवर्क करेंगे. एंड व्हेन एवर मैं आप लोगों को चेक करके वापस करूँगी ये लूज शीट्स, आप लोग अपनी कॉपीज़ पर पेस्ट करेंगे. डोंट फॉरगेट टू पेस्ट ऑन योर क्लास वर्क कॉपीज़ बिकॉज दिस ऑल syllabus is the part of your paper. Okay, so don't miss it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.